Parents can be a good example by eating healthy food themselves. I feel like children notice what their parents do in all formats, and that includes their diet and what they eat. There's a great correlation with health and arts due to the fact that they are both important outlets to have in your life. I think eating healthier has a lot to do with how I play and what comes out when I play.
Hallway P, Shannon Andrews in Gunnicky. I'm a dietitian and the nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujebi, Ta, Toragun.
Today we are making strawberry yogurt bar. For this recipe you will need 3 cups non-fat plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 cups strawberries, sliced. Start by lining a large rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. In a bowl, mix yogurt, honey, and vanilla. Spread yogurt mixture evenly across the baking sheet to make a large rectangle. Place strawberries on top of yogurt. The Otoe word for strawberry is hashche. Indigenous peoples of North and South America have enjoyed strawberries for hundreds, maybe even thousands of years. Wild strawberries are smaller and sweeter than the berries grown today. Traditionally, time was connected to and based on nature's cycles. For Native American tribes in the eastern part of the continent, June is known as the strawberry moon because strawberries start to ripen during that moon cycle. Wampanoag and other tribes still hold celebrations and powwows in honor of the strawberry moon. Place the baking sheet in the freezer and freeze until firm, about 3 hours. Cut into 24 pieces and serve frozen. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and are available fresh, frozen, or dried. When choosing fresh berries, pick ones that are firm with a natural shine, red color, and bright green stems. Store strawberries unwashed with the stems on for the best flavor and texture. Store strawberries in a container that will allow for some airflow, like the store package or a box or bag with holes will work. Strawberries will stay fresh in the refrigerator for 1 to 3 days. Change it up. Other berries could be added. Try blueberries, blackberries, cranberries, cherries, or even sliced kiwi. For some crunch, top with granola, pretzels, or chopped nuts like pecans or walnuts. This recipe makes 8 servings. 1 serving is 3 pieces. Enjoy!